the pace to start?
Well, that's what we expected. Now, the thing that LSU is going to have to do with one of the best scoring teams in the SEC is they've got to take good shots.
Meanwhile, Alabama with the 2-point advantage in the early minutes. Reed stumbles and misses everything on the way. And went for a near double-double against Tennessee on Wednesday. So this has been a fine week. He takes a quick seat. Right, stumbled, nearly lost the handle.
Hunter Dean has Mark Sears on him. You got to get the ball to number 12 in goal.
Yeah, careless giveaway that time. Cook missed him. Sears and Alabama on the move. Reitzel connects again to give you a ride. We're a few miles south of downtown on the LSU campus. Sam Walters always has the green light, and Bama back in front.
I really want to see Mark Sears go to the free throw line because he said, "You can hear my mother," and I'm waiting for it.
Let's get to the rim.
What did I tell you? If I were to be reincarnated, I would want to come back as a male basketball player and play for Nate Oates because I love to shoot the ball.
We don't want you going anywhere, but in the afterlife there, Griffen hits from deep.
8 minutes left, only 3 turnovers between the two teams.
All right, there you go. That's just the 4th. LSU turned it over. They had a problem with the turnovers on Wednesday. Gave it away 16 times against Tennessee. 3 in the corner. Stevenson, that's good. The freshman from Chapel Hill with his first triple.
That's one this morning.
Hannibal back on the floor with 2 fouls, make it 3. That's an offensive foul. And he flung that left arm out, going back the other way.
That's another foul on Trey Hannibal.
Up top to Sears with 10 to shoot. One of Alabama's longer possessions. This is Rylan Griffen, 4-3. A shout out to the GA staff who are the ones that are tracking that. There's a takeaway. Reitzel, just a vicious steal. Thought about the 3. Griffen, yes. Alabama back up by 7, and it prompts the LSU timeout.
The adjustment defensively Alabama has made. If LSU's going to dribble it, the Tide's going to take it. The Tide has risen for Alabama.
Griffen hoists it. Tapped out by Estrada. Can Alabama chase it down? And Reitzel was the one to do it.
Hard hat plays by the Crimson Tide.
Been going back to the free throw line.
Want to get a road win, you got to have plays like this. Ball's out of bounds. You got to stay after it. Bring the grit on the road.
Griffen, meanwhile, at the free throw line. Since that first half, Griffen has got the visitors back in front. On the second half, it's been a guy like Cook, for example. Wright gives that one away. Here's the deep lob! Rylan Griffen with the sledgehammer. Lob this one up from, 35 feet.
I mean, just perfect on the lead in transition.
Tennessee right on their heels. They have a 7-2 conference mark. 3 in the corner. Reitzel, that one looked pure.
And Reitzel, 18 points tonight. 5 of 8. Yeah, they made that little run while Mark Sears was on the bench.
That's right. 5 triples, 19 points 2 weeks ago in Tuscaloosa. That was a 21-point Tide win. LSU has kept it a lot closer, although look out. Look out now. It's a 10-point game again after the Estrada triple.
There, didn't try to do too much, nothing fancy, just get the finish.
Griffen got it in the corner. They just have had an answer for just about everything this afternoon. 0 in the yellow. That's Trey Hannibal. Backdoor cut. Nick Pringle has just matched a season high with 15 points. 8-point game again. Sears was trying to slice it into it to Nelson. He's got it now. Head fake, the blow by. Reitzel.
That's
into
beautiful.
the corner. Yeah, here's Griffen. Reitzel for three. Puts it in. Latrell Reitzel with 22. And it's a new season high for the senior.
Beautiful basketball. It's early from Will Baker. Can they isolate? Find him now?
And it's back-to-back turnovers now. That's 13 for the Tigers. Sears, that's good. Mark Sears with 18. Close to hitting his season average. Timeout LSU with 4:02 to go. The Tigers led a few minutes ago by 1. It's been a 26-9 Alabama run since.
Transfer out. So he told coach he wanted to redshirt. Dale Brown said, redshirt, you jump higher, you run faster, you actually play better than anybody on the team. I tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to make you a leader. He made him the captain of his team.